back to my channel, and in today's video it's going to be a really quick video, and it's going to be a video where I'm going to ask you to just consider these things that I'm going to be talking about if you are considering any type of surgery that is like lipo, 360 lipo, bbls, and all these other things that we have the choice to do in terms of altering our body. Now, this is not a judgment video. I don't want anybody to get the wrong idea, you know, but I want us to think about the things that we want to do to our bodies before we do them, because there's going to be an after situation, right? Because I see a lot of women online that get the BBLs, get the lipo and stuff like that. And the thing about that is, okay, and I got inspired to do this video because I was training one of my clients yesterday, or the day before yesterday, and she was saying this in jokes. We were laughing, but she was like, you know what, forget this. I'm gonna be fat. You're mean, and I'm just gonna get surgery and be done with it. And so I know a lot of us feel that way. Trust me, sometimes I do too. I say a lot that if it was like in or healthy to be big and overweight, then I would be big, because I love to eat. And believe it or not, I mean, I love to work out, but I have to force myself sometimes, because I mean, I'm human. I train people, but then I also have to have my own workout time, which can be a little difficult being a mom and all those things. So I definitely get where some of us just want to pay the 10 grand and get our mommy bodies and be done with it. And even procedures like lap band surgery and stuff like that can be a little tricky, because the thing is, when you work out, and you work out for your body, and you work hard for your body rather, just like earning a degree or earning a position at work or earning your status in the world of business, you care for that. You respect your work, and you expect people to respect your work, and you look after it like a baby. Look after it like it is your baby. And it's the same thing when it comes to our bodies. When we work hard for our abs, our arms, our butt, whatever, when we discipline ourselves to get what it is that we want, we are less likely to let it go. And this is the same concept with dieting. When we diet for 3 months or a month or whatever, we're restricting ourselves, and it's not a lifestyle thing. The thing with the lipo, thing with the surgeries that kind of shape our bodies, if we haven't done the work, if we haven't been in the gym, if we haven't been eating right, it's how are you going to maintain it, basically? And I know people that have had lipo that put the weight right back on. I know people that have had Coolsculpting, and you know, they think that just walking is going to be enough in order to keep the fat off, and it's not going to be enough. So if you don't mind getting lipo every year, which is not something that most people can do, then go for it. You know what I'm saying? But the people that I know, I'm not a plastic surgeon, and I'm not trying to recommend anybody get any type of procedure, but what I'm trying to say is someone like me could get lipo and maintain my body. It would just be like, I have some little spaces on my body that because as women, even when we hit our goals, we're like, oh well, I want to do this and I want to do that. It's just how it is. Somebody that works out, that eats right, that you know, is doing all the work, but just has these little areas in the body, these little pockets of fat, that's when you want to bring in the Coolsculpting. That's when you want to bring in the lipo and stuff like that. But if you are a big woman who knows that she needs to lose weight, and then you go to the doctor and you just get the midsection chiseled out because you just want to have the small waist, big boobs, big hips, your weight is probably going to come back because you don't know how to maintain it. All right. And then on top of that, if you go get lipo, wherever you get the lipo, but you're not working out, you'll still have arms that are not toned how most women want them. Am I saying that they have to be teeny tiny or small, whatever? No, but toned. And then consider the loose skin that you might encounter, because think about it, anybody that's have had children, we have these big bellies, and this is how some of us get our loose skin. We have the big bellies and we lose the weight quickly. Now, some of you are lucky in that you don't have the loose skin issue. I have a little bit of loose skin from having 2 children, but this is how stretch marks come about as well. You have the big belly and then the belly goes down and then you have the loose skin. And then if you go get lipo, okay, and some doctors might encourage you to have some sort of tuck or mini tuck or whatever because of that, especially in the belly area. But you can't do that. You can't do nothing about that with the arms. You can't, unless you're going to get the arm surgery, which is usually what people get when they have the like lap band surgeries and weight loss surgery, stuff like that. So just consider what the after is going to be. Some doctors will tell you, oh, you probably are going to have loose skin, but some doctors may not. But you need to go into the surgery thing thinking realistically, thinking, okay, I'm going to get lipo here, there, and whatever, but what is going to be my healthy lifestyle maintenance plan? Because you're going to start eating again. You're going to start, you know, drinking again. You need to make lifestyle changes so that you can keep and maintain your results, and so that you're not on the same roller coaster of weight loss, weight gain, diet, and stuff like that, which is miserable, which I used to do, you know, back in the day. So anyhow, that's just my 2 cents. Just think about what the after is going to be. Start getting into the routine of getting a healthier lifestyle going for yourself. That way, when you get out of your, once you are done, once you're post-op, you are able to maintain your results, and you know, you're well aware that just because you get the surgery around the waist and maybe the thighs, what about the arms and the arm fat, okay? You have to lift some weight, some sort of resistance training, even body weight, in order to get your to develop muscle and to develop the tightness that you most likely are seeking. So anyhow, I hope that this video was helpful and just helping you think about some things if you're considering surgery. As always, I thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.